black smoke and a series of explosions as fires spread through Wisconsin's only oil refinery. At least 11 workers hospitalized, one of them seriously injured.
User Manual. Number 1. Fast and easy placement. Tilt 30 degrees the injector to the latch side and place it on the inlet of 53-gallon drum. 2. Design of protection. Uprighting the fluid injector when the latch is blocked beneath the drum inlet. While uprighting the fluid injector will be opened automatically by the time when the ear of hinged lid is pressed to the drum inlet. 3. Hermetically sealed for environmental protection. Together with the latch working as a fulcrum, when uprighting the injector and with the weight of the injector itself, the seal would be hermetically compressed to the ridge of drum inlet and prevent the emission. 4. Fast on-off. For manual operation, please follow the direction indicator shown on handle lever. To open the injector, please turn the handle anti-clockwise to the stop pin, turning clockwise to close the injector. 5. Flow control system. This injector is applicable for manual operation or automatic operation. For manual operation, you may just fit the flow meter in between the fluid injector and the oil pipe. Please refer to illustration 1. For automatic operation, you would need a full set of accessories including flow meter, control box, solenoid valve, injector use actuator bracket, and adequate actuator. Please refer to the illustration 2. Illustration 1. Read the figure shown on flow meter fitted to the fluid injector and turning the lever of injector for opening or closing. Illustration 2. When working on the fixed workstation, this injector can be applied in the automatic control system. Connect signal line to the flow meter for signal transmission. The signals will be transmitted consecutively to the control box and solenoid valve, and further activate the actuator. 6. Environmental protection. When filling up the drum, the air convection caused by uprising fluid content will bring up oil gas to the conduit pipe for recycling. After filling up the drum, please firstly make sure that the injector is closed, and then take out the injector with the reverse procedure of the step 1. Then, place the injector into the collection cup to continuously collect the remaining fluid for further recycling.